Hello everyone, today let's talk about TC oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has with skeleton. This is a spring. It also with spring. This is a blue color and it has made of rubber and this size is internal diameter is 70, external diameter is 90 and this sink is 7. You also can through this size to find this oil seal. It also has many following features, such as vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mass-proof water, tink in the spring and tink in the skeleton. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We also can provide the customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material, this type. We also can customize. And if you like this, we also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.